Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Turn on notification to be the first to get updates on latest videos and more. So today I'm going to show you how to install Git on your system. So moving on, we'll search on Git for Windows download. So I'm using so I just click on the click here to download. So it will know your version of your system. So while we are waiting for it to download, please if you have not yet subscribed, please do what to like and subscribe for more videos and turn on notifications to be the first to get updates on latest videos and more. So guys, the file has downloaded now. All we have to do is to install. You click yes, click next, next. Okay, so git back profiles. So you can check if you want to check. It's not necessary. Vim is the default. Okay. So in this setting, we are asked whether to make your current the main profile for your branch name for your new repositories that you are going to create in the future. What should be the branch name? Is it master, or whether you should come and override it and give it the name you want? So I'm going to choose main because I that's what I choose. So you can change yours. You can choose whether to collect master or to change it to something else. So use Git for command line and third party software. Okay. So just use SSH.exe. So they added some new features in the installer. So kind of thinking of what to choose right now. Enable experiment support for pseudo consoles. Experiment built-in system monitor. So you can choose to add yours. So while we are waiting, please, if you have not yet subscribed, please I beg you to subscribe because I'll be uploading some new videos, and I will need you to watch it so you can go back and watch previous videos. So that's finished installing. So is I will restart my computer later. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to open it now so you see what I'm talking about. You see what we installed. So this is it. So I'll open my Git CMD. So the Git CMD just means it's just like your CMD, your Windows CMD. So I'm using the Git version 2.0. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe and like the video.